Hi Stitchers! So today I wanted to give you a closer look at what's actually inside one of our Ehrman kits. This one is Voysey's River, and you can see here that it's one of the more detailed designs in our collection. First, of course, you have the canvas.
It's a 12 mesh, beautifully printed canvas.
And the shade card along the side here is there to help you organise your palette before you even start stitching. This design is actually part of our heritage collection with the V&A Museum, so you're quite literally stitching a piece of museum history for your home. You get a needle, of course, and then these 5 bundles of 100% Scottish wool. It's incredibly soft, but also famously durable, which is exactly what you want for a cushion.
To make things easy, we've included this colour chart and a colour key. It lists all the wool colours per bundle, so identifying your wools is completely stress-free.
Finally, you have our signature booklet. It's packed with everything you need, from how to start your project to professional tips on finishing your cushion. It's really a kit for art lovers and makers alike. If you'd like to see the full collection, just head over to our website. Happy stitching!